I don't have it in the breakdown
Madam
of
Chair, you will-
2025. Can you please tell me?
Nakabuilt in
Maybe
na siya eh.
DBM can help us. Wala po sa NEP. Sorry, Secretary, wala po sa NEP. Maybe ASEC Pulido, alam niyo kung saan yung 7B na yan, di ko makita. Ang nakikita ko lamang is special provision.
confirmation letter.
Director Abad, kabisado po ninyo, itong 7 billion. Wala sa akin eh.
Their proposal actually, Madam Chair, includes the 7 billion to cover the supposed arrears. But when we released the computation for the NEP recommended level, the amount that was included there is does not include the amount for the computed subsidies in arrears because we have already provided this year the requirement to cover the grants in arrears for beneficiaries which were who were enrolled in the program.